All right. Welcome to 9-2, part 1, page 470, angles in standard position. So copy down number 1. We need to draw 65 degrees. So you need to first draw your XY plane. Okay, and if you've never seen this before, this x-axis right here, this is 0 degrees. Okay, so this is where we put 0 degrees. You know how when we're making triangles, we can put the triangles wherever we want, we can turn them around however we want? 0 degrees will always be here, facing this way. Okay, so if you're facing this way, you're facing 0 degrees. If this is 0 degrees, you know, these are right angles, right? So this has got to be 90. So if you're asked to draw 65 degrees in standard position and not accurately, it's going to be somewhere between 0 and 90, right? So we're just going to, what? This is like half of way, so it's going to be more than half. So we're just going to draw an angle like that and call it 65 degrees. Is it okay if I continue on the same thing? Thanks. So for number 2, 300 degrees. Well, let's go back. This is 0. This is 90. So what's this going to be? What's another 90 degrees? 180. Very good. And then another 90 degrees, 18 plus 9 is 27, so 270. And then from 270, another 90 degrees. 0 degrees is also the same as 360, right? A full circle. We went all the way around back to the x-axis, the positive x-axis. So for 300 degrees, we're going to be in between 270 and 360. But you need to make sure, since 300 degrees is huge, you're going to go, what do we think? Probably closer to here. Oh, sorry. Probably closer to here, right? Maybe a little. It doesn't matter. You know it's between 270 and 360. So we're going to go all the way around to here. And this is 300 degrees. Okay? Now, if going counterclockwise are the positive angles, I'm going to make a new one, by the way. If we go this way and we go positive 0, positive 90, positive 180, positive 270, positive 360, this way, then if we go clockwise, we're going to go negative angles. Okay? So we're just going backwards if we go down first. So if this is 0 degrees, this is positive 90 degrees. If we go this way, right, another right angle, this would have to be negative 90 degrees. Because we're going clockwise. And if we go another 90 degrees clockwise, what's 90 plus 90? 180. So negative 180. And negative 270. And negative 360. Now keep in mind, negative 270 degrees is the same as positive 90 degrees. Negative 180 degrees is the same as 180 degrees. We're just calling it something different. So if I wanted to graph number 3, negative 120 degrees, I'll start at 0. I'm going to have to go down past 90, right? And then stop somewhere between negative 90 and negative 180. So this is negative 120 degrees. Okay? So, what direction do we go if we need to go negative? Clockwise. Say it, clockwise. Good. All right, let's do negative 450. Ooh, this could be tricky. You might need your calculator. So, negative 450. We're going to start at 0. We're going to go down to negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 360. We can keep going. So where would 450 be? Negative 90 again. So we got to go down to negative 90, down to negative 180, to negative 270, to negative 360, and then back around, and then, you know, negative 36 minus another 90, or sorry, negative 360 minus another 90 is negative 450. Check on your calculator. So this angle right here is also called negative 450. Alright, real quick. And you can do it on the same thing if you want. Go to page 474 and do numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. Page 474, numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. If you need to use two different xy planes, use two different xy planes.
Which ones?